Y'all, oh my gosh. Okay, like it's been so long since I filmed a video because I mean, you know, y'all already know, like the world's going crazy right now. I live in New York and we're at hotspot central right now. So I've been in my house for like 3 weeks, just really sad and funky and unshowered. Y'all don't need to know that. But decided to get up today and film this video because I recognize that like, yo, y'all, we gonna have to do our own hair. And I know before I said I was gonna be doing my hair, but that was a lie from the pits of hell because I have a lot of locks and it's just way more easier for me to go to the loctician. But that's no longer an option. So I'm here to help you survive during this time. So let's get into that video where I'm going to share with you the things you're gonna need to, carry on during these hard times. So first first and most importantly, let's sanitize. Also, don't judge my nails because nail salons are closed too. So I do it myself. Alright, y'all. So this is gonna be a real quick video because I'm just gonna share the things, the tools you're gonna need, and then in another video I'll share like how exactly we're gonna use them. So let's get started. Alright, so first and most importantly, yeah, we need to protect our hair just because you know we can go to the loctician, we can go to homegirl Charlene who does our hair in her kitchen. We can make sure that at least our hair will not break off. And the number one way to do that is to cover your hair at night. Like people say this over and over again because it's hella important. So don't be slipping, Mary. So I have a satin pillowcase that I got from Amazon because Amazon is alive and well. However, PSA. So a lot of people are got laid off throughout this whole thing. So there are a lot of small businesses, a lot of artists out there who do need help during this time. So if I think of any people who sell these things, I will definitely put them down below. And you guys as well, if you know of any like small businesses that you feel like would really, really need like people to purchase their stuff right now to supplement income, put that down below. Hair related is best, but anything, just drop it down there because you want to support small business, small black businesses, small black female owned businesses, all that jazz. Put that down below. Back to the video. Anyway, so like I was saying, this satin pillowcase. Yeah, like sometimes I don't like to cover my hair here because I just get lazy. So it's always good for me to just have a satin pillowcase on my bed. And of course, you always have your trusty satin scarf because just tie your hair up. That's important because you don't want your hair to rub against your pillows, your sheets, because more than likely you're gonna have cotton, and that definitely like, sucks all the moisture out of your hair. We don't want that because the number one way to break your hair off is for it to be dry. So don't do it to yourself. Now again, with not wanting your hair to be dry, y'all already know. Hopefully, you have a spray bottle in your house. Hopefully, it doesn't have to be something fancy. This is a Mister bottle. Got it super cheap on Amazon. It's been in a number of my videos. I'll link it also down below. But get any spray bottle you have. You can designate it to be your hair bottle. And I just fill mine up with water, and then I put in a few drops of essential oils, whatever I have laying around. Lavender for the scent, peppermint oil for the cooling relief, and tea tree oil, just like possibly killing bacteria that may be on my scalp or whatever. And it's like really simple. I just spray it, and it helps keep my hair not as dry as it could be because my hair can be dry. Anyway, that's definitely a tool you should have around. And last but not least, this is actually something that is going to be new for me as well. I used to do this when I had box braids, but you're going to need cotton swabs and witch hazel. I have no idea where my witch hazel is right now, but that will be something that I'm going to demonstrate for you guys in another video. So my hair, I got it done about 2 weeks ago, so this would be the time where I would have to wash my hair. However, however, y'all already know that salon just be hitting. So I don't want to wash my hair. One, because I'm lazy, of course, but two, because I don't want to lose like the length that comes with your retwist. I don't want to lose just the look of it. But my scalp is nasty. Like it's gross. It's disgusting. So I'm gonna need to clean my scalp. So what I do use is I dip Q-tips into witch hazel, soak them up, and then I go through my scalp and just rub it through. Alternatively, you can also probably use like a mild solution of like warm water and a little bit of shampoo. Use that. But I like to use witch hazel because it's really good to like just soak up all that bacteria and oil and dirt that could. I like saying bacteria. It's probably because of the pandemic. Anyway, it'll soak all that stuff up that's on your scalp, and your scalp will feel. My scalp feels pretty fresh when I do it, but also witch hazel can be very drying, which is why you should not use it on your face. So I do follow back up with an oil, and my oil of choice has been argan oil lately. But again, I will be making another in-depth video about how I clean my scalp with my Q-tips. But you guys know it's a common household item. I know you have them, so that's what you can definitely use to help maintain your hair. And honestly, if all else fails, wraps are your best friends. And you in your house, you are in your house, so like, who who we looking good for anymore? Like, who, who? Anyway, those are my three tools of like stuff in your house that you can use to help keep up your hair. And I really hope this helps you guys. Like, this was a very short video, which is good, which is good. I'm just glad I was able to get up and make it. Um, I guess I can also do like a little lock update. So this is my hair. Ow, oh wow, this is actually 2 years to the month. Yeah, because I started my locks in March. So I'm officially 2 years locked. And as I said before, I got a retwist 2 weeks ago, so my retwist is still there. So I don't want to wash it. But my scalp is nasty. Like, I don't know if y'all can see. My scalp is nasty. Flakes everywhere. Everywhere. So I will be making that video of how I clean my scalp really, really soon. So look out for that. Please subscribe so you can see that. Be sure to like this video. I am positive I'll talk super fast. And I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but I really can't help it. So hope you stick around. And I will see you in the next video. Don't forget, if you know of any small businesses or small artists that we can support, especially throughout this economic crisis that we're going through, please put that down below so that we can support each other, whatever. And I'll see you later. Peace.